Mistplay itself usually takes up much less storage than the games you install through it. The app acts as a rewards platform, but the games you download can quickly use several gigabytes of space if you keep adding new ones. By the end of this video, you'll know how much storage Mistplay actually uses, what makes it grow over time, and how to keep it from filling up your phone. If you're checking storage because your phone is running low, start by separating Mistplay from the games connected to it. Open your Android settings, go to Off Storage, then Apps and tap Mistplay. You'll see how much space the app, its data, and its cache are using. For most users, Mistplay itself stays relatively small. The real storage usage comes from the games you install to earn rewards. Every game downloads its own files, saves progress locally, and often stores additional updates after installation. If you've tried several games over a few months, they usually take far more space than Mistplay ever will. Here is the easiest way to free up storage without affecting your account. First, uninstall games you've finished or no longer play. Your Mistplay account stays active because it's linked to your profile, not to games that have already been removed from your device. If you decide to play a supported game again later, you can reinstall it from Google Play. Another thing worth checking is the app cache. Inside Android settings, open Mistplay, tap Storage, then choose Clear Cache if the option is available. This removes temporary files without deleting your account or reward balance. Avoid using a clear data unless you're prepared to sign back into your account afterward. Also remember that game updates increase storage over time. A game that seems small when you first installed it may become much larger after multiple content updates. Reviewing your installed games every few weeks helps prevent storage from filling up unexpectedly. If your phone is almost full, leave several gigabytes of free space whenever possible. Android performs better when storage isn't completely maxed out, and both Mistplay and your games are less likely to experience download or update problems. To sum it up, Mistplay itself uses relatively little storage. Installed games are what consume most of your space, and regularly removing unused games keeps your phone running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more Mistplay tips, and check out the next tutorial for more ways to solve common app issues.